I am feeling room of BCom 77. Today I am here with my group and we are going to present about the level of financial literacy among the tribals of India. If we talk about the contents of this presentation, the first is the introduction part and the second one is concept of financial literacy, importance of the financial literacy, that is the third one, fourth is profile of the Sindhya district, and the next one, digital financial literacy among the tribals. Sixth one is use of government financial scheme, and the seven is objectives of the study, eight is research methodology, and nine is finding, ten is level of financial literacy among the tribals of Sindhya. 11 is awareness about banking and financial services. 12 is access to credit and saving practices. 13 is challenges. 14 is suggestions, and 15 is the conclusion. So let's start with the introduction section. Financial literacy is very important for the economic development of any society, as it helps the people to manage their money wisely. However, in Sindhya, the tribal community shows moderate awareness. Moderate awareness towards the financial literacy. Financial literacy refers to the ability of an individual to understand and effectively use financial skills such as savings, budgeting, investing, and managing money. In tribal areas like Sindhya district, financial literacy is still at a developing stage due to low education levels, limited access to financial institutions, and traditional lifestyle. Improving financial literacy is essential for economic development and inclusion in the formal financial system. Financial literacy is essential for economic development, but tribal communities in Sindhya district shows only moderate level of awareness. While most people understand its importance, practical knowledge of saving and investment and banking remains limited. Dependence on money lenders, low income and irregular savings are common. Awareness of government schemes exists, but users is low due to lack of knowledge and access. Digital literacy is weak because people fear about the frauds and poor connectivity, and challenges like illiteracy, language barriers, and lack of trust in progress. Overall, improved financial education and infrastructure are needed for better inclusion and development. The concept of financial literacy is knowledge and understanding of financial concept that enables individuals to make informed and effective financial decisions. It includes awareness about finance, our savings, investment, loans, insurance, and interest rates, inflation, and risk management. According to RBI, Reserve Bank of India, financial literacy helps individuals to manage their money better and plan for future financial needs. A financially literate person can use banking services confidently, avoid financial frauds, and participate actively in foreign financial system. Financial literacy is not limited to the knowledge alone. It also includes financial behavior and attitude. It encourages responsible financial practices such as regular saving, timely repayment of loans, and wise spending. So the importance of financial literacy among the tribals is, as it is very important, as it encourages people to save and reduce their dependency on money lenders. It encourages use banks instead of employer systems, improves standard of living, supports financial inclusion, helps in availing government schemes, reduces exploitation by middlemen and lenders. Profile of Sindega district. Sindega district is located in the southern part of the state of Jharkhand. This district is mainly tribal dominated, where major tribes such as Munda, Ura and Kriya reside. Most of the population of district lives in rural area and their primary source of livelihood are agriculture, forest produce, animal husbandry and daily waste labor. Sindega district is rich in natural resource but industrial development is limited. Level of education, banking facilities and financial awareness is comparatively low. Due to this reason, awareness about savings, investment, insurance and banking services among the tribals is limited. Now I would like to invite the next member of the group.
Financial literacy is not just about money, it's about survival, securities, and opportunities. For tribal communities, this knowledge gap can mean the difference between progress and poverty. So, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for having me. I'm Arvind Lutra from Department of Commerce, Semester 7. And today I'm going to show you're about to learn, and by the end of my talk, today you will have. So let's commence with objective of the study. So as we can see that in the screen, understand the level of financial literacy among tribals. स्टडी का मेन पार्ट कह सकते हैं जिसमें हमने स्टडी सेविंग्स और क्रेडिट बिहेवियर को जानने के लिए कोशिश की, जिसमें हमने चैलेंजेस को और सजेशन इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए स्टडी किया. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Research methodology. This study is based on the survey method. Data was collected from 53 people through Google Forms, which helped in reaching respondents easily. A structured questionnaire was prepared with simple and relevant questions related to financial literacy. The question focused on saving habits, emergency savings, investment awareness, financial decision making, knowledge about self-help groups, जैसे SHG जो गांव में कहते हैं उसे स्वयं सहायता समूह, आप इसके बारे में अवेयर होंगे जरूर. Handling financial stress and awareness of banking services. Responses were collected from tribal people of Sindega district to understand their financial awareness and behavior. Level of financial literacy among tribal in Sindega. The data shows a moderate level of financial literacy among tribal people. तो लगभग 69.8% लोगों ने कहा कि उनका ओपिनियन था कि इन्वेस्टिंग इज रिस्की. This shows lack of proper knowledge about investment. Only 24.5% people invest in gold, shares or other assets, while 75.5% do not invest, showing low participation in financial markets. 98.1% people believe financial literacy is important, which is a positive sign. This indicates that people understand the importance of financial knowledge, but still lack practical awareness and confidence. So the is awareness about banking and financial services. The awareness level is average but improving. Around 52.8 respondents know about the benefit of having a bank account. And 53.8 people, 53.8% people are aware of SHG. But 67.9% have not attended any financial literacy program, showing lack of formal awareness initiatives. लेकिन ये होता ही नहीं। This shows that basic awareness exists, but proper guidance and education are still needed. They don't want to enter practically due to lack of knowledge, law, income, government policies, proper finance, guidance, etc. Next one is access to credit and savings practices. इसमें हम देखेंगे कि लोग अपने क्रेडिट और सेविंग्स को लेकर कितना अवेयर हैं और इससे कैसे वो bank loans are less used due to complex procedure and lack of documents. तो आपने देखा ही होगा कि बैंक्स हमें उसका प्रोसीजर कितना कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है, जिसकी वजह से लोग वहाँ से लोन लेना नहीं चाहते, इसीलिए वो मनी लेंडर्स और अपने रिलेटिव फ्रेंड्स इस सब पे डिपेंड करते हैं। हाई इंटरेस्ट रेट्स फ्रॉम मनी लेंडर्स increase financial burden. Income is low and irregular, so savings are limited. Many take cash at home despite having bank accounts. Awareness of schemes and investment is low. Only 43.4% save regularly, but 94.3% save for emergencies. तो यहाँ पे emergency के लिए save करना 100% होना चाहिए था, but I don't know where this time it belongs to. I would like to invite Sweti Amrita Verma.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sweti Amrita Verma, BCom Plus 7. My topic is use of government financial schemes. Digital financial literacy among tribal districts is still low. Many have bank accounts under PMGSD and receive benefits through DBT. Awareness about ATM, mobile banking, and digital payments is limited. Insurance schemes like PMG, JJBE, and PMSBY are under-related due to low awareness. Manrega was a credit to accounts but often dilatory. Issues like Aadhaar linking, poor connectivity, and lack of digital skills create challenges. Improving digital literacy can affect financials, including and proper use of skills. Digital financial literacy among tribals. In Sindhera district, mobile phones are common, but use of banking apps is low. Mobile banking helps in checking balance, transferring mobile money, and tracking payments. Language barriers and lack of knowledge make people depend on others. UPI use is encouraged in market, but fear of mistakes and PIN issues exist. Digital fraud case like fake calls, OTP scams are increasing. Weak internet connectivity limits use. As a result, many people still prefer cash transaction. Challenges faced by tribal communities in similar districts, low literacy make it difficult in understanding banking and financial documents. Language barriers, Kuruk, Khadiya, Mundari, Nagpuri, create confusion as service are in Hindi and English. Books and banks and ATMs are shared, making as time communities as costly. Lack of digital awareness leads is error.
तो पहला चार्ट आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे, जिसमें हमने पूछा था हाउ डू यू टिपिकली मेक फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस, जिसमें 35.2% लोगों ने कहा था कि उन्होंने वे अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस पे कहीं पे भी अपना फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन लेते हैं, और 29.6% लोग जो अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स से डिसीजन लेते हैं इस पैसे जैसे टॉपिक पे, मतलब इन्वेस्टिंग या फिर कुछ एसेट खरीदने के लिए। Only 25.9% और 9.3% लोग अपना खुद का ओन रिसर्च करते हैं और किसी फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से एडवाइस लेके ही किसी शेयर्स में या फिर गोल्ड वगैरह इन पे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो कि पॉजिटिव साइन है। Suggestion is, first suggestion is financial literacy programs should be organized regularly in tribal areas to improve knowledge and awareness. Government, and second point is government and NGOs should promote banking services and help to increase financial inclusion. And the third one is awareness campaigns should focus on safe investment options to reduce fear and misconception about investing. The fourth one is people should be encouraged to develop regular saving habits, not just emergency savings. And the last one is access to financial advisor or guidance centers should be informed in rural and tribal regions. Conclusion. The study reveals that the level of financial literacy among tribals in Simdega is moderate but not sufficient. While people understand the importance of financial literacy and show awareness about emergency savings, they lack regular saving habits, investment knowledge, and professional financial guidance. limited participation in financial literacy program and moderate awareness of banking services indicates that financial inclusion is still incomplete. Therefore, there is strong need for effective financial education, awareness campaigns, and better access to financial services to improve the overall financial well-being of the private community.